Are you or someone you love managing diabetes? Glowing Star, discover the power of vegetables in transforming your health. In this eye-opening video, we reveal 6 amazing vegetables that help control blood sugar levels and boost your well-being. Broccoli, cucumber. But that's not all. Police Car Light will also uncover 6 vegetables you should steer clear of to avoid unexpected sugar spikes. Tomato, crossmark. Your health matters, and making the right food choices is key. Let us guide you with clear, practical tips to keep your diabetes in check while still enjoying delicious meals. Light bulb. Bell, don't miss out. Hit play now and take control of your health today. Your journey to better living starts here. Herb, sparkles. A. Types of vegetables that diabetics should eat. 1. Bok choy. Bok choy, also known as Chinese cabbage, is a nutritional gem that deserves a spot in your daily diet. Packed with fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as powerful antioxidants, this leafy green offers numerous health benefits, including aiding in blood sugar regulation and supporting overall well-being. One of bok choy's standout qualities is its versatility in the kitchen. Whether you prefer it lightly sautéed, boiled, or added to soups, this vegetable retains its crisp texture and mild flavor, making it an excellent choice for a variety of dishes. Its high vitamin content promotes healthy skin and vision, while antioxidants combat harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating bok choy into your meals is a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake. With its low calorie count and high nutrient density, it's an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Why not start today? Give bok choy a try and experience its health-enhancing benefits firsthand. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli, also known as green cauliflower, is a powerhouse of nutrients that offers remarkable health benefits. Packed with sulforaphane, a natural compound, broccoli has been scientifically linked to reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. These properties make it an excellent choice for individuals looking to support their overall health and manage conditions like diabetes or chronic inflammation. Incorporating broccoli into your diet is simple and versatile. For maximum nutrient retention, steaming or lightly boiling is recommended. Alternatively, enjoy it raw in salads for a crunchy, refreshing addition to your meals. Its mild flavor pairs well with a variety of dressings and other vegetables. With its impressive health benefits and ease of preparation, broccoli deserves a regular spot on your plate. Start adding this superfood to your meals today and take a step toward a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. 3. Malabar spinach. Dark green vegetables, such as amaranth greens and sweet leaf, are nutritional powerhouses that deserve a spot in your daily diet. Packed with soluble fiber, these greens play a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels, particularly after meals. For individuals aiming to maintain stable glucose levels or prevent blood sugar spikes, these vegetables are an excellent choice. Incorporating them into your meals is simple and versatile. They can be transformed into delicious soups or stir-fried dishes with minimal oil, ensuring that their health benefits remain intact. Not only are these dishes easy to prepare, but they also cater to a wide range of dietary preferences. By adding dark green vegetables to your diet, you're not just enjoying their rich flavor but also supporting your overall health. Make the change today, your body will thank you for it. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just a kitchen staple, they are a treasure trove of health benefits. Packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes are particularly beneficial for heart health. Studies have shown that lycopene can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by improving blood vessel function and lowering bad cholesterol levels. Additionally, tomatoes play a role in stabilizing blood sugar, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage or prevent diabetes. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is simple and versatile. Enjoy them raw in fresh salads to retain their nutrients, cook them into soups for a comforting meal, or blend them into sugar-free juices for a refreshing drink. These options ensure you can reap the benefits of this superfood without compromising on taste or convenience. With their ability to support heart health and regulate blood sugar, tomatoes deserve a place in your daily diet. Start adding them to your meals today and take a step toward a healthier lifestyle. 5. Cucumber. Cucumber, also known as a refreshing and hydrating vegetable, offers numerous health benefits that make it a must-have in your daily diet. Packed with water and low in calories, cucumbers are an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. Furthermore, they can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart option for individuals managing diabetes. Incorporating cucumbers into your meals is simple and versatile. You can enjoy them raw as a quick snack or add them to salads for a crunchy, fresh texture. Their mild flavor pairs well with various ingredients, making them a perfect addition to many dishes. Choosing cucumbers not only supports your weight management goals but also keeps you hydrated and energized throughout the day. With such easy preparation and undeniable health benefits, there's no reason not to include this nutritious vegetable in your diet. Start today and experience the positive changes cucumbers can bring to your well-being. 6. Asparagus. Asparagus, often referred to as a superfood, is a powerhouse of health benefits that deserves a place on your plate. Packed with anti-inflammatory properties, this nutrient-rich vegetable can play a significant role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to maintain their overall health. What makes asparagus stand out is its versatility and ease of preparation. To maximize its nutritional value, experts recommend simple cooking methods like steaming or lightly sautéing it with garlic. These techniques not only preserve its essential nutrients but also enhance its natural flavor. Incorporating asparagus into your diet can be a small yet impactful step toward a healthier lifestyle. Its ability to combat inflammation and support blood sugar regulation makes it a valuable addition to meals, whether you're managing specific health conditions or simply looking to improve your diet. So why not give this green gem a try? With minimal effort in the kitchen, you can enjoy a delicious and nutrient-packed dish that supports your well-being. Start today and let asparagus be your ally in healthy living. The 6 types of vegetables that diabetics should not eat. 1. Potatoes. Potatoes, a staple in many diets worldwide, may not always be the healthiest choice, especially for those monitoring their blood sugar levels. While they are a versatile and affordable source of carbohydrates, potatoes are packed with starch, which can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This high glycemic index makes potatoes a less than ideal option for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their weight effectively. Consuming foods that cause sudden increases in blood sugar can lead to energy crashes and may contribute to long-term health issues, including insulin resistance. Instead of relying on potatoes as a primary carbohydrate source, consider healthier alternatives such as sweet potatoes, quinoa, or whole grains. These options provide more fiber and nutrients while helping maintain steady blood sugar levels. By making mindful dietary choices, you can take a proactive step toward better health. While potatoes can be enjoyed occasionally, moderation is key to avoiding potential health risks. Choose wisely to support your well-being. 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, often hailed as a nutrient-rich superfood, are a popular choice for their fiber content and essential vitamins. However, despite their numerous health benefits, they come with a caveat that health-conscious individuals should consider. While sweet potatoes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health, they also contain a high level of natural sugars. This makes them a double-edged sword, particularly for those managing blood sugar levels or aiming to reduce overall sugar intake. Consuming sweet potatoes in moderation is key to reaping their benefits without overloading on natural sugars. For individuals with conditions like diabetes or those on low-sugar diets, it's advisable to balance sweet potato consumption with other low-glycemic foods. Opting for smaller portions or pairing them with protein and healthy fats can help mitigate blood sugar spikes. In conclusion, sweet potatoes are a valuable addition to a balanced diet, but mindful consumption is essential. By moderating intake and pairing them wisely, you can enjoy their nutritional advantages without compromising your health goals. 3. Corn. Corn, also known as maize, is a widely consumed staple food around the world. Its versatility and affordability have made it a key ingredient in countless dishes. However, while corn may seem like a healthy choice, there are important considerations to keep in mind. One of the primary concerns with corn is its high glycemic index, GI. Foods with a high GI can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, potentially leading to energy crashes and increased risk of conditions like diabetes if consumed excessively. Corn is also rich in carbohydrates, which, while essential for energy, can contribute to weight gain when eaten in large amounts without proper balance in the diet. For those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels or manage their carbohydrate intake, it may be wise to consume corn in moderation. Opting for whole grains or pairing corn with protein and fiber-rich foods can help mitigate its impact on blood sugar. In conclusion, while corn remains a beloved ingredient in many cuisines, understanding its nutritional profile is key to making informed dietary choices. Moderation and balance are crucial to enjoying its benefits without compromising your health. 4. Cooked carrots. While carrots are renowned for their nutritional benefits, the way they are prepared can significantly impact their glycemic index, GI. Experts highlight that cooked carrots have a higher GI compared to their raw counterparts. This means that consuming cooked carrots may lead to a quicker spike in blood sugar levels, which could be a concern for individuals managing diabetes or aiming to maintain stable energy levels. Raw carrots, on the other hand, retain a lower GI, making them a better choice for those seeking to regulate blood sugar. Additionally, eating them raw preserves their natural crunch and some heat-sensitive nutrients. However, it's important to note that the overall glycemic load of carrots remains relatively low due to their modest carbohydrate content. The key lies in moderation and balance. Pairing cooked carrots with fiber-rich or protein-packed foods can also help mitigate any potential blood sugar spikes. In conclusion, while cooked carrots are not inherently harmful, understanding their impact on glycemic response can empower you to make more informed dietary choices. For optimal health benefits, consider incorporating both raw and cooked carrots into your meals thoughtfully. 5. Pumpkin. A nutrient-dense vegetable, pumpkin is often praised for its versatility and health benefits. However, it is important to be mindful of its potential impact on blood sugar. Pumpkin contains a significant amount of carbohydrates and natural sugars, which can cause spikes in blood sugar. For those managing conditions like diabetes or prediabetes, consuming large amounts of pumpkin can lead to challenges in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. While pumpkin is high in vitamins like A and C and provides dietary fiber, moderation is important. Pairing pumpkin with foods high in protein or healthy fats can help slow the absorption of sugar, making it a safer choice for those concerned about their blood sugar response. In summary, while pumpkin is a healthy addition to many diets, it is important to consume it wisely. By being aware of pumpkin's natural sugar content and adjusting your portion sizes accordingly, you can enjoy the benefits of pumpkin without compromising your health. 6. Beetroot. Beetroot, often celebrated for its vibrant color and health benefits, is a root vegetable rich in fiber, vitamins, and essential nutrients. It has gained popularity in recent years as a superfood, praised for its ability to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and enhance athletic performance. However, despite its many advantages, there's an important aspect to consider before making beetroot a staple in your diet. While beetroot is undeniably nutritious, it contains a relatively high amount of natural sugars compared to other vegetables. For individuals monitoring their sugar intake, whether due to diabetes, weight management goals, or other health concerns, this aspect cannot be overlooked. Consuming large quantities of beetroot may inadvertently contribute to elevated blood sugar levels. That said, moderation is key. Beetroot can still be a valuable addition to a balanced diet when consumed in appropriate portions. Pairing it with foods high in protein or healthy fats can help mitigate its impact on blood sugar levels. In conclusion, while beetroot offers impressive health benefits, its natural sugar content warrants mindful consumption. By enjoying it in moderation, you can reap its advantages without compromising your dietary goals.